Hi, and welcome to Stamp with Ginny. Today I'm going to share with you how I made this lovely card using the Good Feeling stamp set. The Good Feeling stamp set has a beautiful font and these large, bold sentiments. So let me set this aside and I'll show you how to get started. I'm going to start with the stamping for this, and I'm going to use my piece of designer series paper, the back side, and I'm going to lay it here on the left hand side. This allows me to see how much space I have to stamp. So I'm going to ink up my image and stamp it right here on the right hand side. Gotta love that pretty peacock, it's gorgeous. And now I'm ready to start assembling. Okay, for assembly, I'm going to bring in my sentiment and this strip of designer series paper, and at this point you can decide on either side. I'm going to put the small little flowers up. I'm going to adhere this down on the left where I had used it as a mask to simply give me that pop of color. I've got that there, and I'm ready to attach this to my pretty peacock cardstock. I'm going to butt this up along the left edge like so, and adhere. There we go. And then I'm going to flip this over and add some dimensionals on the back. Now I can add one in the center of this if I'd like, since it is a larger panel. There we go. I'm going to bring in my cardstock base at this point and fold it on the score line and burnish, and then I'm going to bring in my large floral panel here, and I am going to adhere it down here. Let's see, I'm going to flip this around. I want some of those flowers on the right. There we go. I've got that on my card front, and then I'm going to remove the backing here of my dimensionals. Flip it over, and I'm going to adhere this right into the center, slightly above center of my card front. Next, I'm going to bring in my Bloomin' Pearls and my Take Your Pick tool, and I am going to use a few of these beautiful pearls. They come in 4 different colors, but for this project I think I'm going to use the Pretty Peacock, and I am going to take 3 of the little pearls, and I am going to place each one here along the bottom just to add a little pop of color and a bit of shimmer. There we go, quick and easy. I think you'll really enjoy using the Good Feelings stamp set. It's got some wonderful fonts and sentiments that can be used for all occasions. And of course, if you'd like any of these products, feel free to stop by my online store. You can get there from my blog, Stamp with Ginny. Thanks for joining me.